as luck would have it, I heard a voice outside the garage door and opened it. There was two young men out there talking. I was going to deliver some recycle to the trash heap. And met this young man, and he asked me if I had a razor blade, of all things. I'm an old man, I have everything. Step into my cave, said the spiders to fly. We started talking. You know how I am. I can't miss a moment. Asked me where I was from. Who you am? What are you? Told him of a racist I had encountered on Offer Up. Asked me to guess where he was from. I was wrong. I said Hawaii. He said he's from the Ukraine. I said peace be with you. I don't like to talk about it. It's okay. I'll carry it for you. So you think you can tell? And from here, blue skies from pain. Can you tell the green field, coast in red, smile from a bed? Do you think you can say? They get you trained, your heroes for ghosts, hot ashes for trees, hot air for cool breeze, cold comfort change. Did you exchange or walk on part in a bowl, or lead role in a cage? I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground. For what we've found, all the fear.